Hi pen testers. In this video I am going to show you a demonstration of a reverse shell that I created when I was in my last year of college. Recently I improved it, so I thought to show you guys. By the way, here are the features that the reverse shell has. Firstly, it has a built-in keylogger, so every keystroke will be saved locally. Second is it's persistent, means you can get the access even if the initial connection is terminated. And third, it runs at system boot. And the last and most important, you can get the cell access with cellular network even after the initial connection is terminated. And I'm not going to tell you how I did this, instead I want you guys to tell me how I did this. So let's start the servers. So I have created a script that has all the functions in it. So it will start a tmux session with 4 split terminal sessions. So first one is the key injector. It will start injecting keystrokes when USB is connected, otherwise it will wait. Second one is ngrok session that forwards local port to receive reversal connections. And in bottom left, it's a simple Python HTTP server running on port 8080. And the last one is localhost.run session that exposes HTTP server to web, so the target system downloads the payload file from attacker's machine. So two ports are exposed to web. One is for receiving shell sessions and another one is for web server. Now let's connect the USB and see what happens next. It will take less than 5 seconds to inject the keystrokes. Okay, it's done. Now in the HTTP server logs, you can see that the target system is downloading the files from our web server that is running on bottom left session. Let's start the netcat listener, and then we only have to wait for the reverse shell connection from the target machine. So the netcat session is started. Let's monitor the HTTP logs. The binary is around 800 kilobytes and my internet connection is a little bit slow, so that's why it's taking some time. Let me just fast forward a little bit. And one more thing I forgot to mention, my Windows Defender is green and it's running. And let's check the netcat session now. Okay, and here we got the connection from the target machine. Now time to test the keylogger. So let's open notepad and write something, and then we will check the text in the reversal generated keystroke file. So notepad is open. Now let's write something here and then we will open the keylogger file. Okay, hello world, and so I'm here. Now I'm going to open the keylogger file, and I have played the path of keylogger file in C users public folder in the reversal program, and here it is. Now let's open it in notepad. Now you can see the text here, whatever I typed in the previous text. Okay, so let's play a little bit with the keylogger, and I will just forward a little bit. Okay, so next thing is to close all running servers and try to get the access again. And this time we only need ngrok and netcat sessions, as we already uploaded the reverse shell to the target machine, so no need to start localhost.run and web server. Okay, so all the sessions are closed. Now let's start ngrok again. Okay, what was the command? Sometimes I also forget. That's why I always put help in my shell script. So let's run this script. again, and then we'll see the commands. Okay, so it's nf to start the ngrok session. So ngrok session is running now. By the way, the reversal program will send the session again in few seconds. So we have to run netcat and wait for the reversal connection from the target machine. Okay, so netcat is also running now, and now we only have to wait and watch for the reversal connection from the target machine. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that both devices are connected to different Wi-Fi access points. So we got the reversal connection again from the target machine. Well, that's all for this video now. I hope I have left you guys with some questions about the persistent feature of this payload. So let me know in the comment box what you guys think about this.